The secret laboratory. Feel the atmosphere of mystery in your hidden lab, filled with bubbling flasks and ancient manuscripts. Each experiment is a step closer in your quest for the philosopher's stone. The weight of expectations and the pressure to produce results are constant. The alchemical process. You craft potions with precision, mixing exotic ingredients under flickering candlelight. The complexity of each formula reflects the modern struggle for creativity and innovation. Every failure is a learning opportunity, but also a source of frustration. The quest for knowledge. Your pursuit of the philosopher's stone is relentless. You spend countless nights studying ancient texts and testing new theories. The pressure to discover something new mirrors the fierce competition in today's market, where innovation is key to success. The duality of success and failure. Failures are frequent, but every small success drives you to keep going. The pursuit of perfection and the fear of failure are motivating forces both in your lab and in the modern world of creativity. Reflections of the Alchemist. In moments of reflection, you realize that the true philosopher's stone might not be a physical object, but rather the perseverance, passion, and innovation you put into your work. These timeless values remain relevant today. The ongoing journey. Your quest never ends. Each new day brings new challenges and opportunities. The pressure to produce results and the struggle for innovation continue, but so does your determination. Alchemy is both a science and an art, and in this journey, the true value lies in the process and constant learning.